Singapore is a multiracial country and it's a food haven that everybody will stop by because it's a hub whereby people stop over. So there are many places they can visit before they move on to Southeast Asian countries. The company is started by my father in 1983. I came in from, started in 1999 to date. We have moved on from a subcontractor to a main contractor undertaking a large-scale project whereby earth-moving quantity ranging from 500,000 to 1 million meter cube. Last 5 years, we have been a major player in this industry. We're in a very niche market in Singapore in terms of construction industry, in this civil engineering. We operate in this infrastructure works where the government is placing a lot of effort or focus in, mainly the MRT projects, the expressways, new towns, site clearance, new roads. In our business, downtime is one of the most costly factors. So when we talk about equipment-wise or truck-wise, we want to select the best in this class. We own a fleet of 200 units of tipper trucks. We have 100 over units of Mercedes trucks. These equipment are very durable and dependable. This is one of the main reasons that we selected Mercedes.
Mercedes-Benz. Trucks you can trust.